What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of LiveLeanTV. I'm Brad Guthrow. I gotta put together a quick breakfast. I gotta go somewhere. I was gonna go grab some cereal. Not really, but some people may go grab cereal. I'm gonna show you how to put together quick scrambled eggs. It's tasty and it's gonna help you with your nutrition. So let's go. Got the clock set here on the iPhone, time in. Let's see how quickly we can make this. You're gonna need 4 whole eggs. Just grab some greens, spinach. I'm gonna use some arugula, an avocado, salsa, cooking oil like avocado oil, and some salt and pepper. That is it, all you need for this recipe. Grab a mixing dish for the eggs. And I'm doing this in a hurry because we got things to do, people. So we're gonna do 4 whole eggs. Come on in close, see how we make this. Throw your eggs in the trash. And one more. Okay, we're good. Let's go grab our frying pan. Put it on here. And I love using avocado oil for my cooking oil because you can cook it over higher heat. Even though we're cooking eggs, we don't cook it over high heat. But I still like when it's putting over high heat or overheat avocado oil. Oh, we're losing time here. Okay, here we go. About medium heat. We'll beat up the eggs. Come take a look. So that's 4 whole eggs. They're a great source of protein and healthy fat, lower in sugar and carbs. Let's spread this around a little bit. All right, eggs going in just like that. That was less than a minute and a half. Eggs are in. Now we're gonna come over here, get our greens. So like I said, I'm using arugula, but a lot of people may just wanna use spinach. You can use spinach as well. So we're gonna let the eggs cook a little bit first because it's still a little bit liquidy. Once it starts to set, we're gonna throw the greens in there to cook with it, along with our salsa and avocado. So while we wait for those eggs to cook, let's get this avocado ready. So it's already halved. My little trick is to take a knife, open it up like that. Just like that. Get a cutting board. We're gonna use 1/4 of an avocado. This side looks a little bit better. So just take it and then slice, 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 and take it the other way. Okay, that's good. Salsa's ready to go, and the eggs are starting to set. So let's get some greens in there. So just a handful like that. Good way to start your day, and start scrambling them up. If you're really short on time, you could increase the heat a little bit, but I like to cook my eggs over medium heat. The higher the heat, I find they tend to burn quicker, and you don't want to do that with your food. So let's do a little quick time check here. We're still at 3 minutes. We're almost done, people, almost done. Gotta turn up the heat just a little bit. So that's on a 6 right now. But you could live a little dangerously and go to a 7 if you really want to. Okay, so while that's going, I'm gonna get a plate out. Preparation while you're waiting. Take the avocado out of the skin, and you see all I'm doing is taking my knife and just breaking out the chunks. There we go. All right, let's give this another little stir, and I think we're almost ready to go. So our pan is a little bit sticky here, but that's okay. Time check, still under 5 minutes. I'm estimating this will be on the plate and we'll be eating at the 7-minute mark. That's my guess. This is almost done. All right, turning the heat off. Did you get a little shot of the eggs there? You don't want them to be too dry, so they're still a little bit moist. That's good. Let's remove these from the pan. Let's take this off the plate so we can use that as a garnish. Put it on top of the plate. Look at that. Come on, people. That's nutrition right there. Let's add, I'm gonna put like a tablespoon of salsa on there. Make sure you just stir it up a little bit so some of the liquid can get some of the chunks. Put that right on top. Take those avocados. Boom. Final piece. Salt, pepper for a little spice. Some sea salt. And pepper. Boom. Give me the time, give me the time. Look at that. Under 6 minutes. Success. How does that look? Check it before you wreck it, people. Scrambled eggs. A little bit of a Mexican style. We got the salsa on there, the avocados, healthy protein, healthy fats. And you know what? Let's give it a quick little taste. I gotta take a photo of it for the thumbnail because thumbnails are everything when it comes to YouTube. But we'll try to take a little piece without taking too much. That beats cereal any day. Damn, that's good. Guys, no more excuses when it comes to your first meal of the day. If you don't have time, I just proved within 6 minutes, you can get all the nutrition you need to start your day full of energy, full of health, and go crush the day. And guys, if you want more recipes like this, watching how we cook them step by step, you gotta go check out our Team Live Lean membership site. We have over 200 videos, meal plans, weekly recipes. Oh, Kyla's coming in. Look at Kyla. She's got a little, look at this. Oh no, your raspberries fell. But even Kyla loves our recipes.
Mmm, that's so good. So yummy in my tummy. That's how you get your kids to eat green. Just sneak them in.
Yeah, guys, so check out that clickable link down below. Go join our team over at Team Live Lean. Step by step, the game plan you need to live lean. We'll see you over there. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. I gotta get my food into me. Thanks for watching and keep living lean.